Hello everyone. We are excited to introduce ClassKlap's Augmented Reality App. In this video, we will show you how to install and use our AR app. Step 1. Install the ClassKlap AR app. Go to Play Store on your device and type ClassKlap AR into the search bar. After you have found the app, click Install. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, open the app and choose your child's class. You will get a pop-up. Choose Yes and allow ClassKlap AR to access photos and media on your device. Wait for the data to be downloaded. Step 3. Once the data download is complete, you will get another pop-up to change your device settings to allow ClassKlap AR to install unknown apps. Click on Settings and enable ClassKlap AR to install unknown apps. Step 4. You will get a pop-up to install the pre-primary ClassKlap AR app. Click on Install. Step 5. Once the app is installed, click on Open and give access to the pre-primary ClassKlap AR app to use your device's camera. Step 6. Scan the AR physical cards one by one, and 3D representations of the models will appear on your phone. You can zoom in and zoom out to watch how the model changes in size. Step 7. To see the models from all angles, position your phone's camera around the card or gently turn the card and experience an enhanced version of the real world created using the visual elements and sound through technology. Please note that to scan the physical cards for another class, pre-primary ClassKlap AR app needs to be installed again. To do this, select another class in the ClassKlap AR app and wait for new data to be downloaded. Give access to the app, as done in the previous steps, and scan the physical cards. In the ClassKlap AR app, the word Installed appears next to the class for which pre-primary ClassKlap AR app is installed. Thank you for choosing to use the ClassKlap AR app. We hope you have a wonderful experience.